What's going on, everyone? Got a 2022 Nissan Armada. Today we are replacing the cabin filter. Okay, so we're going to come over here to the passenger side. We're going to need to remove the glove box. All right, so there are 6 screws that hold the glove box in. Okay, and they're going to be Torx T15s. Okay, and I've already started on this just because they're kind of hard to get to, and I want to make the video kind of quick. But if we go under the glove box, you're going to have one here. There's going to be one here, and there's going to be one here, okay? Take those out, then open the glove box up, then you're going to have another one here in the corner, here, and here, okay? Now once you get those out, you can take the glove box door and pull it towards you, and it will come off. Now, when you do this, notice that there's a light here. Just be careful with the light, all right? You're not going to break it when the glove box comes down. The light, you can actually kind of unclip it like this and push it through. But if you forget to do that and you just yank this all down, it's not going to break it, okay? It's just clipped on here. Okay, just a little word of caution, all right? So once you get the glove box out of the way, you're going to need, let me get this going here, sorry. You're going to need an 8mm socket because you're going to need to remove this module right here, all right? Because the cabin filter is located in this compartment here, this door here. It's all up in the way. Just gonna remove this bolt here, this bolt here, and then we can move it out of the way. We don't have to unplug it or anything like that. Let's do that real quick. Lift it up. It's in there a little tight, so there's actually, I'm sorry, there's actually another one. I couldn't see it from where I'm at. I'm trying to record, but there's 3. There's another one on top of it. I was about to say, why aren't you coming out? You lift it up and you unclip it, move it out of the way, and here's your door. I'm gonna push this in like this on both sides. You just take the door off, and here is your filter. Go ahead and pull it out. All right. This one was pretty gross and dirty. If you've never replaced it, you probably definitely want to. You get your new filter, and what you're looking for in the new filter is you're looking for airflow. They're always labeled. This one's labeled airflow down. Okay. Get it, slide it in here, airflow direction down, and where'd my door go? Grab my door, sorry, and snap this right back on, and put the module back. That, put the screws back in. Okay, so I'm just gonna skip that screw for the sake of the video because I don't know where it went. I don't know if it fell down there or whatever, but just get the glove box. And this is probably impossible to do with one hand, but you're gonna need to put that light back on, put the glove box back up on here, and just put the screws back in, and you're all done. If you need a cabin filter, I'll have a link down in the description box where you can pick one up. Hope the video was quick and straightforward. If you thought it was, if it was helpful, appreciate if you could hit that thumbs up button for me. I really appreciate it, or leave me a comment. I really appreciate that, and I hope to see you again in another video.